Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Tomorrow there may not be a post market report because I am flying back to Delhi for workshop. So there are few seats left for Delhi workshop. So if you are interested, you can contact our office. I will be returning by Sunday night. So there may not be any post market report tomorrow. What happened here today, it was a volatile and Nifty gap up open 150 point, then another 50 point moved higher and making all the call sellers panic, then fell more than 100 point and then again shot up more than 100 point to take the day's high. And the huge volatility was caused mainly because of HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank was higher by about 20 rupees in the morning, then the entire 20 rupees fell and then at some point of time in the afternoon it actually traded negative. And then towards the end of the day there was a short covering in HDFC Bank. So look at the Bank Nifty, it was very pathetic. In the morning it moved 400-500 point and then came down 400-500 point and again moved 200-300 point. So markets were very volatile and it was really surprising because most of the global markets were very stable in long side, green side. So 6 out of the top 7 index heavyweights went higher and mainly TCS, Infosys and Reliance, which gave TCS was the worst contributor yesterday on the downside, and today I think it is the second best contributor on the higher side. So TCS, Infosys, I think IT stocks have recovered and the banking stocks are okay, Reliance also recovered. So actually our market is really looking good beyond the large caps. Even today also mid cap, small cap, they all have outperformed the larger cap indices. And the problem is lying only with the banking stocks and IT stocks and of course Reliance also. And together these have about 60 to 65% weightage in the index. So that's why at index level things are not looking good, but the broader markets are really very good. So people expected this short covering because of US market, because Nasdaq 100 fell more than 10%, S&P 500 fell more than 10%. Then yesterday Fed chairman chose to speak dovishly. So there was a huge short covering there. That short covering continued even after the market also, and things are looking very good, but we cannot say the whole thing can change in just one day. And moreover, today after the US market closes, Apple comes out with a result. So just like HDFC Bank here, which has about a 15% weightage in Indian market, Apple has about 12% weightage in US markets. So that's going to make or break. If any disappointment in Apple is going to be very bad. And also tomorrow evening jobs data. So very important jobs data, monthly jobs data. So markets can be volatile tomorrow, right? But Apple results will be out tomorrow morning Indian time. So we will be reacting to that tomorrow trading session itself. But although technically Nifty is long only above 19,520. This is a dynamic level, sometime it can change. Earlier it was 19,740, then it came to 19,520. So if any change is there, then I will be discussing that in the YouTube. So although Nifty becoming long only above 19,520, but since our markets are oversold from 20,200 to 18,850. There's a huge fall and markets are recovering. I think still there must be shorts in HDFC Bank, Infosys, TCS, those kind of stocks. Even now the TCS, Infosys, they are all down by about 6 to 8% after their results. So more and more results will be coming from mid cap space. I think Monday, I think this Saturday, State Bank of India result is coming. So the stocks will be reacting to that. So generally now that pessimism is gone, but looking at the open interest also, 19,000 put option has the highest open interest. So therefore that seems to be a very good support, but the calls were written less aggressively compared to puts. So less aggressively people have sold calls at 19,500 and 20,000. So broadly speaking, in the beginning of this month, we were very bearish. I forecasted 18.4 to 19.6. Now I think we can safely upgrade it to 20,000 to 21,000. So just now I check Singapore Nifty or GIFT Nifty, whatever we call it as, it is trading with some gain actually. Another thing, FII data, it is still not out. Okay, why I'm little bit worried about, yeah, it has come. As usual, they have sold 1,200 crore. So I really don't know what they are thinking in their mind. No matter what happens, they keep on selling. So at some point of time, they will have to stop selling and start buying. Probably that may happen above 19,500. So that's when the market rally can resume. So until then, we can say the market major trend is still downside only. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.